Hello, good morning. So today we're gonna be talking about comparing the numbers between each other. Do you remember how on a previous lesson we were talking about hungry crocodile who wanted everything the most? He wanted to eat the most of candies, the most of ice cream, the most, he wanted to have the most of toys and everything else. So let me refresh your memory. So there was a hungry crocodile and his mouth was open to the greater amount, the bigger amount, right? Of everything. So this was, let me just refresh your memory about the signs. So greater than, less than, and equal, which means the same amount, the same numbers. Right, that is correct. So let me show you a quick video of this nice song. Greater than, less than song.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
Equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use.
Here are the symbols.
And equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
Once upon a time there was a hungry alligator. He loved to eat numbers, so he figured out a way to always get the biggest bite when the numbers were there. He would stop for a second, take a look and compare. Whichever number was the biggest of the two was the one that he would eat. So just to
The bigger,
to know about
the
hungry
bigger
alligator,
number.
he always eats the number that's greater.
Greater than, less than,
Equal to, that's right.
greater than,
Less than, equals to. That's right. That's what we're talking about. Hungry crocodile. So as well, today I want to read the book with you. So the book, the name of the book is Just Enough Carrots by Stuart Murphy. See, this book is about mother and the son who came to the supermarket. And they are, who are they? Rabbits. So I want some more carrots. I really like carrots. The little one is talking about. When you eat them, you munch and you crunch. I know there are others who have more carrots, but we have just one little bunch. Yes, horse has more carrots, but bird has the same amount. Look at the picture. So the horse, here's the card of the rabbit and the horse. The horse has more carrots. More. What about the bird? And the bird has? The bird has the same amount. Equal, of course. Okay, let's see. What's next? An elephant has even fewer. Look, fewer. Only one carrot is in his card, right? Fewer carrots. So take a look at this a picture. Our carrots, more carrots, the same amount and fewer. We have too many peanuts. I don't like to eat peanuts. First you chomp, then you chew, and you chew. I'm sure there are others who have fewer peanuts. Why can't we buy just a few? Yes, squirrel has fewer peanuts, but bird has the same amount. See, the same. And squirrel has just fewer. An elephant has even more. Look at the picture. Our peanuts, their peanuts. Fewer, the same amount and more. Please don't buy any worms. I really hate worms. They squish and they squirm and they crawl. I'll bet there are others who have fewer worms. Let's not buy them at all. Yes, elephant has fewer worms, but frog has the same amount.
Of course, because they're frogs. Frogs eat bugs.
Oh, that's a great comment. Frogs eat bugs. That's right. Okay, and bird has even more. Bird has even more. Birds, they eat what?
Yes, they eat. They do.
Okay. So our worms, fewer, the same amount, and more. We don't have to eat peanuts. You don't have to eat worms. And we have just enough carrots to munch. I bought all of these peanuts and all of these worms because elephant and bird are coming for lunch. Chomp, chomp, and chew, squish, squirm, and crawl. Munch, munch, and crunch. Yummy carrots for
lunch.
lunch.
That rhymes.
That rhymes. Lunch and munch. Okay, so how did you like the book?
Very good.
Book is good. Okay, so let's work together. Let's compare some numbers. Okay, so if we write down right here the number 36 and 31, can we notice something similar about these numbers? So first of all, let me ask you a question. Where are the 10 digit and the tens and the ones at this number?
This is the tens.
So 3 would be tens, okay. And this number would be the ones, right? The ones, okay. So what can you notice similar about these two numbers?
These two?
The 36 number and 31 number. So what's similar about them?
They both have 3 and 3.
So they have the same amount of tens?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they have the same amount of tens. So then, do we need to count ones then to compare them? Do we need to compare ones?
Yes.
Yes, we need to compare ones. If we have the same amount of tens, so then we would have to compare ones. So how many ones are here do we see?
6.
6, and here?
1.
1. Okay. So then so tell me which number has more ones?
6.
So the number 36 would have more ones, right? Which means this number would be greater, right? So we use this symbol. It would be greater. That's right. Let's try with another number. Let's compare number 31 and 18. Okay, let's look at these numbers. So let's see at the tens. How many tens this number has? How many tens the number 31 has?
3.
3. And how many tens, number 18 has? How many ones? Oh, no, sorry, ones. Yes, I'm so sorry. Tens. So 1, 10, right? Can we already compare these two numbers? Yes, because all we need to look first at the tens. So if the tens at one number is greater, it means the whole number would be greater, right? Mm-hmm. So which number would be greater here? Tell me the full sentence. 31.
31 is greater.
Okay, use the correct symbol. Greater than
18.
That's right. Okay. And you know what? Let's see. We have here 2 balls of candies. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. If you look at these 2 balls, which ball has greater amount of candies?
This bowl.
This ball. Okay, so you can just see it with your eyes, right? That it's bigger. But what else can you do to say that, this ball has more candy?
Count.
You can count just one by one, right? Just 1, 2, 3 candies. Okay, and let me show you something else. So when you're comparing the numbers, right, you can help yourself and you can draw. You can draw what?
Counter.
You can draw counters, or you can draw cubes, right? So if here we have 31, we can draw 3 stacks of cubes by 10 cubes, 10 cubes, 10 cubes, and then 1 cube.
Cube.
All right, just to help yourself. And here we can draw 18 cubes. So 10 right here cubes, and then we can count right here, we can draw 8 more cubes. So this number would be greater, right? 31 would be greater. Okay, what about the numbers here? 21 and 21.
21 and 21.
Yeah.
They're equal.
They are equal. You know what? I have something for you. I have a game for you to play. Let's see. Here's the game.
Pair numbers in the swamp. Use the alligator symbols to show which side has more. This means less than. This means greater than. This means equal to.
So you can just drag. You can just drag this alligator and drag it. Right.
Oops. Try again.
Try again. Of course.
14 is less than 16.
Yeah. And you say the full sentence. Try one more time. Right.
16 is
16
less than
Is less
19.
than 19.
That's right. Use the full sentence. Oh, 14 and 14.
They're equal.
14
That's right.
is equal to 14.
Great job. Great job. So you got the idea. And let me ask you something. Where do we use how often do we use, like when we compare, you have more and I have less, for example? Do we use that in regular day life? A lot?
A lot.
Yeah, give me example.
Like in school when we are doing math.
Okay.
And maybe at home.
Okay,
when,
give me example. Give me example. For example,
I have
more.
I have more candies than my brother.
Okay, that's good. You know what? To wrap this up, I have this worksheet for you where you have to cut our hungry alligators, yeah, and you have to paste, the correct symbol to compare these pictures. Okay, so we can do that, and great job, great job. It was a great lesson.